find, what should I do?
Help.
Okay. Hey, by the way, hey, Amruta Nair, is this your first class actually in Python?
No, sir.
So earlier, but you were not consistent enough, I believe. Okay.
Yeah, this is my third class.
Third class. Okay, fine, not a problem. And hey, Subhashri, is this your first class or second class? Subhashri?
Third class, sir.
Third class. Okay, good then. Right. So I don't know anything about find. So I'm going to put mystr dot find. Okay. So look at this carefully, guys. One of the critical things in Python is to know how to interpret the help menu output. Okay. One, this is what the name of the method. How do we know if it's a method or not? There will be a keyword called method and open parenthesis and a close parenthesis will be seen. Good. And then I will see like description. Good. Now inside parenthesis, if I see equal to, inside parenthesis, if I see equal to, what does that mean? Inside parenthesis, if I see equal to, what does that mean?
It's a default.
Default parameter. Excellent. Excellent. Who was that?
Sushmita, sir.
Excellent. So inside parameter, if you see by equal to, it is like called default parameters. Anyway, when I teach you guys the functions, you will understand that better. Also, inside parenthesis, if you see square parenthesis, then which means that it is an optional parameter. Optional parameters means what?
We can give or we can skip also.
Exactly. You can give or you can skip also. So now tell me, in this, how many are mandatory argument? How many are optional argument? Sub. Is
That
it a
is-
mandatory argument or optional argument?
That is mandatory because
Mandatory. Why? It is not
It is-
given within the square parenthesis. How about to start mandatory or optional?
Mandatory.
Ma'am, why? You see,
it is inside, square bracket.
if you
optional.
see something inside the square parenthesis, it is optional. Just now I told, right? So now tell me, start is optional or mandatory? Optional. End. Start.
Optional.
Optional. So what does it mean? When you look at the help menu output, right? When you see within the parenthesis, whatever you see is called as a parameters. Inside the parenthesis, if you see equal to, then it is a default parameter. Inside the parenthesis, if you see square parenthesis, it is an optional parameter. So now you should be able to count how many arguments this guy takes. Sub, which is nothing but a substring. Start is nothing but a starting index. End means ending index. Where sub is the mandatory argument. Start and end are optional arguments. So if you see forward slash within the parenthesis, what does it mean?
It's a mandatory.
Sir, if you see square parenthesis, it is optional. If you don't see square parenthesis, it means it is a mandatory. But if you see forward slash, what does it mean? I taught this twice in my last few classes. Nobody is looking into my notes. As soon as the class gets over, I'm sending the notes. Why are you guys not looking into that?
Escape sequence.
Yes.
Who that gentleman? Escape sequence. Ma'am.
New line character.
Positional argument.
Guys, please, when you don't know something, don't give a wrong answer. Okay? Rather, you can kind of say, I don't know, instead of giving a wrong answer, but I will help you to solve it out. Somebody said a positional, let us keep that at the end. Somebody said new line character, right? Guys, What is new line character? Backslash n is the new line character. Okay.
Right, sir.
Guys,
Yeah.
is that clear?
Yeah, it's wrong. Okay, correct.
It's okay. It's okay. That's why I'm see, guys. In this forum, all of us are allowed to make mistakes, including myself. We will also learn that what to learn, what not to learn. Correct? It is okay. Backslash n is the new line character. Okay. Good. Some lady was telling something differently. What was that? Escape sequence. Okay. Good. This is escape sequence only. But what is that? Check on that. MyStr3 equal to, if I want hi / n hello. If I put that, what will happen? If I put MyStr3, what will happen?
Hi. Yeah.
Print of MyStr3. I see hi and then the hello. Now tell me, what is this /n?
It's a new line.
UN character. So special sequence. So the meaning is put. No. I want /n to be present. That time what should I say? What should I do? I should say double \n. So whoever they said, ma'am, this is /. This double slash is the escape sequence. Now if you print MyStr3, you'll see hi /n hello. Right? So this is not a escape sequence. This is not a new line character. If / is present, then it means it is positional argument. You don't need to give the name of the argument. If the / is not present, then you should give the name of the argument, which will become a keyed argument or named argument. Is that fine, guys? Guys?
So sorry, the one question.
Yes,
Why
please.
Why this is required for in this particular function forward?
What is that?
What is the need of this forward? This positional character. Position.
Okay.
What do you call this? Positional.
Okay. Do you drive a car or two-wheeler?
Both, sir. Car and two-wheeler both.
No. Do you drive a car?
Yeah.
Okay. You are going in front of you. Somebody is putting a left indicator. What does it mean?
That person is going to take left turn.
Right. Likewise, this is like a symbol. That guy is putting a /. So this is a Python documentation. The Python documentation is a / within the parenthesis, which means that for this method, these are all positional argument. What does that mean? You don't need to say sub equal to value, start equal to value, end equal to value. If you give that, that is called a named argument. You can directly give the value. I will execute